Hi, I'm Sam Gonzalez with Avanti here at NRF 2024 in the Zebra booth. Today I want to show you a demo of some really interesting technology that we've been working on with Zebra for a long time. This demo is going to include a ton of Zebra hardware, specifically their temperature tracking hardware, mixed with Avanti software to be able to bring all of this data and all this technology together in a way that's meaningful and useful and makes a simple, easy user interface for our joint customers. One of the biggest challenges our customers have with temperature tracked goods is making sure that their customers are getting a safe and good product with not wasting too much product. And these two things are often at odds, because if you're playing it extra safe, you may end up throwing out more things than you need to, just to make sure that you're not getting bad products in your customers' hands. But with the right technology, you can get the best of both worlds and make sure that your product's safe and that you're not being overly wasteful. So let's take a scenario where you're in the back of the store. I need to unload a truck that just pulled up, and during that process, I need to know if this product is safe or if it's not. Now, the reality is my biggest concern is just unloading this truck quickly, because the driver's got better things to do than to wait for me all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some product and start scanning. As I scan this product, a couple of things happen. First of all, we're gonna see what the product is, and I'm immediately notified that this is a safe product. As you can see, I also have a WS50 on my wrist, and that is also indicating that this is a safe product, and so I can continue. Honestly, if it's safe, I don't really need to worry about it too much. As long as I hear the beep, I'm good to go. Now, if I were to run across a product that wasn't safe, things would be very different. So, as you can see, a few things changed. First of all, I was notified that the product is not safe. On the WS50, I get a bright red background, it beeps, it even vibrates on my wrist. So if I'm in a hurry getting this truck unloaded, there's no way I can ignore the fact that I just found an unsafe product. So now that I know that this product is potentially unsafe, I can deal with it in a different way. I can put it aside for an inspection process so it doesn't end up on the shelf where a customer might get it and have a bad experience or a health concern. Now, if we were to look at this box that we've already set aside for inspection, we can see how we can take this a step further. First of all, you're going to see that in the box, we have a Zebra ZS300. This is how we're able to do the real-time temperature sensing. As soon as they arrive at their destination location, if they see one of these bridges, then they will automatically upload all of the data that they collected for that entire journey. And then using the Avanti software, we're able to go grab that data, analyze it, and be able to tell you in real time, was this product ever put at risk because of a temperature exception? Now, just because this box was at a temperature range, that doesn't necessarily mean that every product in here is going to be at risk. So by combining it with another Zebra technology, the Zebra visual indicators, we can actually look at a deeper level to see if they were bad. So as you can see here, this one has a red dot in the middle. That means this is a bad product. So is this one. However, if I go to the back of the box, I can actually see that these products are all just fine. Now, this is actually more common than you might think, because things tend to spoil from the outside in. What happens is things that are in the middle are actually a little extra insulated because they have the other products around them. So oftentimes you can save a lot of product. And in this scenario, we can save 60% of what is in this box. So as you can see, by combining the Zebra hardware along with Avanti software, we can really help you get the best of both worlds, keep your customers safe and happy, and also reduce that waste. Thank you very much for watching the demo.